How to change Naver app to English. So if you want to change Naver app to English, then first you need to install the Naver application, and then you just need to go and log into your account. So tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen, tap on sign in, and make sure to log in or sign into your account. Agree the terms and conditions. So once you've logged in, now you just need to go for the upper left, which has that three bat icon, and here you will have your profile, right? So you just need to go for settings, which is on the upper right, which has that gear shaped icon. Under your settings, and here you will have this globe shaped icon, right? So if you tap on that, you will have a bunch of languages. So you can simply choose any language that you're comfortable with, and you can choose English if you want English. So that's how you can change your language. But if you don't find an option under your mobile, then what you can do is simply open up it on your browser and or your laptop or your PC, and from there you can change your language. And here you can simply open up your browser if you don't find that on your mobile device or the mobile application, and you need to simply go for the search and search for Naver login or sign up or something. So simply choose Naver login, and here you will have this kind of interface. You can go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and under this you just need to go for translate, and here this page has been translated to English. So go for the Naver login or sign in, which is on the first, and from here you can sign in with your ID and then password, and your language has been changed. Or you can go for the upper right and then you can choose English or anything that you're comfortable with. So that's how you can change, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.